Audio Jember.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, I hope you have an amazing life. In this video, I will tell you about myself and my family. My name is Debi Aswinsyah Sholawati. People usually call me Debi. I am 18 years old. I'm a student at State Polythecnic of Jember. I live in Jember, but I'm from Mojokerto. I'm the oldest of 3 kids. I have 2 siblings. Their name is Dinda and Dita. Dinda is still in junior high school and Dita is still in elementary school. My father's name is Asmadun. He is entrepreneur. And my mother's name is Winarsi. He is housewife. I have long straight hair, pointed nose, bushy eyebrows, and regular teeth. I'm chubby, but I'm also tall. I'm friendly, a little talkative, and outgoing. My father has a oval face, pointed nose and short straight hair. He is wise, patient, creative, and outgoing maybe. And my mother has a short wavy hair, a round face, pointed nose, and a regular teeth. She is outgoing. She is patient to face editing like my father's. I love both of them so much. And both of my little sisters are silly, cute, and adorable. I love food, music, and to sleep because all that activity makes me happy. Seems like I singing, reading, listen to the music, cooking, and watching movie. I like navy, black, and gray color, and I hate insects, liars, and noisy. And I'm fit up with learning English. Okay, that's all about me. If I have made any mistakes, please forgive me. Thank you for watching. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.